Right, so we just got back from the tire shop, and fucking. Well, as you can tell from my high quality, highly safe, I mean, it's barely even fucking broken, you know, contraption, it was enough to get the tire off when it was flat and just, oh. But now it's not, so we have to get up in the tractor and start it again. Of course, it's a bonus, we got to get a cold start. Let's see. Oh, she's go. Let's get a second opinion. Go. Oh. Oh, she's not happy. All right, take two. Had a little bit of a problem at the farm, but let's go, let's try. Let's cut that off. Another one. Just for luck. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it, 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 do it. You ought to be able to. Come on. Hooray! Ooh, the bells are squealing. Don't worry about it. It'll go away. And the transmission cold. Yeah, there you go. Well, fuck. It happened. It's just barely holding on. Barely. A little bit like that. Well, we got it right fucking sketchy right there with the fucking log. I mean, is it even barely an inch? What the fuck? Until we get the fucking new set, I mean, that's a pretty good job to me.